Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S24 for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy S24 is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $799.99. This is the 128GB version that we're looking at here, and it's available in the Onyx Black color there. You guys see the front right there, front and back, very nice to confirm. You guys know what the Galaxy S24 has to offer already. This one's not new, but it's new to AT&T Prepaid. So y'all guys should know what the features and specs are of the Galaxy S24 by now, right? So finally, AT&T Prepaid got the Galaxy S24. You guys see right there, front and back of the phone. Y'all got your y'all guys have your hole punch tip for your front-facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone, triple camera system. Camera for a Samsung logo, and you have an in-display fingerprint sensor. So that is very cool. And yeah, let's see if I can show you guys the phone in detail here. There's the front and back of it, of course. It's the front of it there. Like I said, hole punch, front facing camera, power and keys on the rest of the phone. Left side of the phone has your left side of the phone. I don't think there's nothing on the left side of the phone. See some cards that are on top or bottom of the phone. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. Back of the phone. There's a bad look at the back. Just back once more. Left side has nothing. Right side, power button, volume keys. There it is, and it's different colors, but the AT&T version only has Onyx Black for the AT&T Prepaid version, so keep that in mind. There's a couple different things here, and yeah. See it in 3D or AR, so that's pretty interesting. It says here, make every day epic with the new Samsung Galaxy S24. Use a photo to find a new recipe with circle to search with Google. Then capture low light pics of your creation. Do more easily. Epic. Just like that. And here are some more images of the Galaxy S24 here. Like I said, y'all guys should know what the phone entails and all that. There's front and back. Left side, right side, back. Yeah. Left side, right side. Basically what I just showed you guys, so no extra images there. Specs, the Galaxy S24. It features circle to search with Google, translate voice or text in real time with live translate, bring your night into the light with 50 megapixel camera, smoothly switch apps with the most powerful Galaxy yet. Dimensions of the Galaxy S24: 5.79 inches height, 2.78 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. The Galaxy S24 weighs 5.93 ounces. Display 6.2 inches. It's 2340 by 1080 pixels. 120Hz refresh rate. 16 million colors. Camera and video has 3 cameras on the back, like I mentioned earlier. 50 megapixel wide angle lens with f1.8 aperture. 10 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture. Then a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture. Space zoom 30 times, dual telephoto, and whatnot. Video capture full. It does 8K videos at 20. It says it does 8K videos at 30 frames per second here. The front-facing camera, 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. It's a normal lens. That's probably 4,000 mAh battery. Up to 35 hours of talk time, up to 12.5 days of standby time, audio playback, 59 hours on speaker, and 22 hours on headset there. Wireless charging, obviously, fast charging. It takes 31 minutes to charge the halfway on the Galaxy S24. The chipset, you guys know what it is. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, octa-core chipset, 128GB of storage, 8GB of RAM, Android 14 with One UI 6.1. It has AT&T 5G Plus, has 5G of course, 4G LTE, World Phone, Quad Band, HD voice compatible, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity for the Galaxy S24, Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN and AC-AX, Wi-Fi 6E as well. There's your Wi-Fi capacities there. It does have NFC, so you can use Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and all that good stuff on here. Bluetooth 5.3, up to 10 devices of mobile hotspot. Wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card. Yeah, it takes a nano SIM card. So yeah, the sensors on the Galaxy S24 are accelerometer, ambient light, barometer fingerprint, which is in-display fingerprint, geometric, geomagnetic, gyroscope, Hell, and proximity sensors. So your standard sensors there. Messaging and email. Music is YouTube Music as your music player and all that good stuff. Accessibility settings, sustainability, product codes, and all that. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, Type-C charging cable, SIM ejection tool there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S24. It's now here at AT&T Prepaid. It is now available for $799.99 for retail price, no contracts, for the 128GB version, and that's the only version that AT&T Prepaid currently offers. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a flagship smartphone on AT&T Prepaid, the Galaxy S24 is worth checking out here, and AT&T gets you on that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.